Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Now my peeps, please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. So guys, as you can see it over here, we're gonna make some homemade easy bread recipe, and this one's gonna be coconut bread. Alright. So if you're from the tropical areas like the Caribbean or wherever, those people use a lot of coconut oil, coconut milk, yeah, everything coconut. All right. So I have a cup and a half of all-purpose flour right here. Okay. All right. Here I have my coconut flour, but basically guys, it's like shredded coconut. All right, then just mince out the coconut trash, fine. All right, and I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons because it's really rich. You can use 3 if you want, but I also have I'm gonna use half cup of coconut milk as well. Okay, it's gonna be full of coconut flavor. All right. We need some yeast. I got this from Amazon. Where am I measuring thing? It's a cup and a half of flour, so we're gonna go in with 1 teaspoon, oopsie, of yeast. There, round about that. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just gonna spread it over the yeast like that. I'm gonna go in with half teaspoon salt. Put it away from the yeast a little bit, and you can use olive oil. Today I'm gonna go in with this is like 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You put 2, it's up to you. Let's see what we have here. So 1, 2, 2 and a little bit, 2 and a half. We're gonna work with 1 egg. I took the whites out, put it aside. And we're gonna add half cup of coconut milk or coconut cream, and that's it. Just grab yourself a spoon and you're gonna mix everything together. Oh, you want to warm the milk, all right? Warm to touch. That's about right. All right, so you want to dust your surface like so. You're gonna scrape it out. I think I might have to use a different bowl, guys, but anyhow, go ahead and put a little bit of flour your hands. All right, and you want to knead this for about 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. All right, don't overdo the flour on it. All right, just put a little bit of flour and you go ahead and knead it. I don't think I need more flour than that, guys. Oh, I need my scraper. So any excess, take it up like that. All right, guys. All right, guys. Gonna leave it like this. I changed my bowl, guys, because it was stuck a little bit in that one. Grease it, spin it over. You're gonna put it to rise. You can even put it for overnight. I'm gonna put this for about 90 minutes. Let it rise and fluffy up. Now we're gonna come back. Cover it with some grease-proof paper. And I'm gonna put a kitchen towel over it. I'm just gonna leave it on the stove top, and then I'm gonna come back. It's over 90 minutes, guys, because I went on the road to get my daughter from school, and then I went to the store. So I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil here, and I'm gonna grease this bread pan. right, and we're gonna set this aside. Oh, whoa, fat. All right, guys, so look at it. This is it. I like to punch out any extra air bubbles, and I like to do it like that. All right, we're gonna sprinkle some flour, not too much, just a little bit, and we're gonna take it out. Make it into the shape you want and set it over here to rise again or proof the second time. Okay, but what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna separate this in four. You don't have to, so I'm gonna cut it in the middle, and again. All right, get your bread pan. All right, guys, so when you have it like this, the same process. I like to fold it a few times. You can go ahead and roll it out if you want, you know, guys. You can roll it out if you want, but you can just use your hand like this. All right, no need to roll it out. I like to fold it a few times, you know, fold it. You can even fold it this way again, you know, just fold it a few times. Or you can even knead it, it's up to you. Or you can roll it with the pin. Pinch the edges. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set it right here. Go ahead and roll it a few times. All right, guys. You see how them look nice, guys? Now, the same piece of greaseproof paper, I'm just gonna put it back over it. I'm gonna let it sit for another half an hour. You can even go up to an hour if you want, all right? Make sure them double in size. All right, I'm gonna set this one side. And we're gonna let it rise again. All right, so half an hour to an hour, and we're gonna come back. All right, guys, we're back. Woohoo! Round like English pound. All right, guys, I have some milk. You can use whatever milk, coconut milk, regular 2%, and I'm gonna brush the top so it won't dry out. Oopsie. Some people use eggs. You can beat up egg wash, and you can use it, but I don't like the egg taste on my bread like that. All right, guys, we're gonna pop these in for about 25 to 30 minutes. All right, depends on your oven. All right, guys, we're gonna pop them in and we're gonna come back. They look so pretty. All right, guys, the bread is out 25 minutes. All right, and now we have some olive oil, and we're just gonna brush it on the top so it stay moist and soft when it cool down. Okay, the bread fat like whoa. All right, when it cool, guys, I'm just gonna break it and show you. So basically that's it. This is my easy homemade coconut bread. All right, my peeps, I'm back, and basically I'm just gonna break a little piece and show you. All right, can you see it up close, guys? Wow. So basically I want a little, you can do 4 mini loaves with this bread. All right, guys, so here it goes. So soft. And you have pieces. All right, so that's how it's looking, guys. With 1 cup of hot mango tea, hot chocolate. I put a little piece of cheese in there and melt it. All right, guys, and this is it. He bounced right back, guys. Super soft. Bye, guys.